Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, I want to introduce our group. We are from group 1. So my name is Akmal. My ID number 8121 and 8132. Okay, next. Please, Sakina, introduce you.
My name is Sakina. Number is A14511.
Next.
If kita my reference number is A1211812.
And
Okay, and my name is Prativi and my ID number A1118131.
and then
Okay, my name is Sri Devi Apriyani. My ID number A121181112.
so thank you guys. Okay. In our material, we all explain about exploit the culture different and communities in Asia. So, in my part, I want to explain about culture in the Asia continent. Okay, guys, please pay attention. Asian culture includes the costumes and traditional of art, architecture, music, literature, lifestyle, philosophies, politics, religion, that have been tradition of Asian culture have been inherited from various cultural cultures and the three ancient rivalry civilization. That continent is divided into six geographic regions, linguistic and relative ethnic homogeneity. That regions are Central Asia, East Asia, North Asia, South Asia, and Southeast Asia, and West Asia. As a rice research, Asia is the most important system. The oldest now myths and the concepts are about ethnic. However, the learned science and natural belief on Asian contains civilization and environment such as and mountain. But the absence therefore as the solution to frequent trade and commerce help gradually develop a truly universal pan-Asia character. Inter-regional turban as the driving force and cohesiveness, sampling risk cultures element and ideas to various strategy rooted. ASEAN has a very different culture. Asia in the crest of major religions in the world, such as Hinduism, Christianism, Shintoism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. Religions that are brought in Asia then spread to various regions in Asia and world. A number of the religions are followed by basic countries, and their distribution can be seen in the following. Apart from religion, the Asia continent also has many languages. The most countries in Asia have more than one native or indigenous language. For example, in Indonesia there are around 600 native or reg. The Philippines has 100 religious languages and 1,083 native regional languages and can also visit culture and music for ceramic, calligraphy, painting, glass, and architecture, and all in the world of musical instruments.
National cultures, local cultures, there are culture of origin that existing in Indonesia before independence in 1945. And Indonesian culture can also be interpreted. The Indonesian has various ethnic groups and diverse cultures such as Christian dance, traditional clothes, and traditional house. And Indonesian cultures not only include indigenous cultures of the earth, but also include indigenous cultures that have been influenced by Arabic, Indian, and Europe cultures. So, region culture is reflected in aspect of community life in all regions of Indonesia. So, each region has different cultural characteristics. And then here are some Indonesian culture based on their type. So the first one is traditional ceremony. Traditional ceremony is a form of traditional that is hereditary, which is carried out gradually and in an orderly manner according to the customs of the community in the form of a series of precision activities as an expression of gratitude. And the second one is dance. Indonesian dance reflects the richness and diversity of Indonesian ethnic group and culture. Usually dance serve to welcome guests. Sorry guys, before. Commonly ceremony days are of religion ritual. Itu adalah dance. Yang kedua, and so the third is literature. Indonesian literature is a term various kind of literature work in Southeast Asia. The term Indonesian itself has a complementary meaning, especially in the geographies and historical scope of politics in the Indonesian literature is divided into two major parts, namely oral and written. And the first, Kausain. Indonesian Kausain is a reflection of various cultures and traditional originating from the archipelago, which consists of about 6,000 islands and holds important place in Indonesian national culture. In general, and almost all Indonesian dishes are rich with spice. The spice from such as sandalwood, chilies, temu kucing, galaga, ginger, kencur, turmeric, coconut, and palm sugar. And that's all. Oh, and the last one is religion. Islam is the majority religion in Indonesia, with only 88% of Indonesians declaring Muslim according to the 2000 census, making Indonesia the world's most population Muslim majority country. Earning Indonesia the nickname, we can take the most big Muslim population. The rest of the population is 9% Christian, of which is roughly two-thirds are the rest Catholic, and the 2% is Hindu, 1% Buddhist, or Indonesia say Buddha, and 0.05% Konghucu. Okay, that's all from me. My friend will be contacted. Thank you.
Okay, now I will continue the explanation from Sakina. It's about similar cultural differences in Indonesia with countries in Asia. Okay, the first is Indonesia and Malaysia. Some similarities of Indonesia and Malaysia is the first is both Indonesia and Malaysia come from a branch of the Malaysian language, and the majority of vocabulary is mutually understandable. The second is the majority of Malaysians are ethnic Malaysia who are dominant in several provinces Indonesia such as Java and Bugis. The third is Muslim clothing and customs share many similarities such as the presence of a ketupat on celebration, wearing sarung for worship, and similar traditional mode. And next is both of majority Muslim. One is both are very family oriented and enjoy being with the group rather than alone. And last is manners and the concept of hospitality have a lot in common. And the difference of Indonesia and Malaysia is the first, Malaysia is a kingdom, Malaysia is United States, while Malaysia is in of gen or Union State. And last is Indonesia is a country with a presidential political system, while Malaysia adheres to a parliamentary system. Okay, I think enough from me. And the next, we will continue by my friend.
Okay, next we'll continue material from by Fitra. I want to explain about Indonesian and Japan. Similarities in Indonesia characterize food. The difference is the Japanese eat using stick, while Indonesian eat using a spoon or their hand directly. Kyogin performance in Japan are similar to Ludruk to Indonesian which original from East Java. Both are entertaining and make the audience laugh. In addition, there is also Bunraku performance. Their performance paid by song and music. The show is similar to wayang show in Indonesia. A shadows puppet show made or leather or wood. Next, in Japan there is a musical instrument called the shakuhachi, while in Indonesian it is a bamboo flute. The size of the two instruments varies, but the way to play them is both flute. There is also a musical instrument from Japan which look and play the same way as the kechapi instrument from Indonesia. In Japan, there is the Takayama Festival So for the rice harvest, the celebration is the same as the Senior Tong celebration Sukamulya, Sukabumi, and Indonesian. And next, different from Japan and Indonesian, Indonesian is not Japanese personal. Driving on Japanese road is rare to see people cooking their horse. This is different in Indonesia. Japanese people like to eat food that is fresh and has an original taste. Where, according to Indonesia's raw food, Japanese people eat with a salt that is attended in normal, but in Indonesia, this way for eating considered impolite. Next, the Japanese way of communicating is by bowing the body while the Indonesian shaking hands. Okay, maybe until here my material. Next, Sri Devi.
Okay, I will explain about Indonesian and Saudi Arabia. The similarities, both countries are predominantly Muslim. It means in Indonesia kebanyakan masyarakatnya itu dia beragama Islam, sedangkan sama saja seperti yang ada di Arab Saudi, yaitu yang mayoritas masyarakatnya itu juga beragama Muslim. Kemudian the difference, the first is Arab are loud. It doesn't mean they are angry. It is different from Indonesian. When they are angry, they usually have a loud voice. Maksudnya, kalau di Arab itu suara yang keras itu bukan berarti marah. Tapi kalau di Indonesia suara yang keras itu sudah berarti seperti kita kayak dimarah sama orang tua begitu. The second is Arabs always say hello even though they don't know them. It different from Indonesia. Maksudnya kalau di Arab itu masyarakatnya ketika mereka bertemu dengan seseorang yang mereka tidak tahu, mereka tetap mengucapkan hai atau assalamualaikum. Tapi kalau di Indonesia kita mengucapkan kata hai atau salam itu hanya kepada orang-orang yang kita tidak kenal. Yang kita kenal, tapi kalau yang tidak kita kenal sepertinya tidak seperti itu. Next, Arabs when they meet people who are already well known, they hug. While for Indonesia it becomes uncomfortable. Jadi maksudnya kalau di Arab itu dia untuk orang-orang yang sudah dikenal dengan akrab, maka mereka kalau bertemu akan saling berpelukan. Sedangkan di Indonesia kalau kita itu berpelukan dengan orang yang sudah akrab itu kayak sesuatu yang risih atau kurang nyaman. Seperti itu. The last is Arab men like to dress in white and Arab women like to dress in black. While men and women in Indonesia have a variety of colors. Jadi maksudnya laki-laki di Arab itu dia memakai pakaian yang berwarna putih, sedangkan perempuan di Arab itu menggunakan pakaian berwarna hitam. Berbeda dengan di Indonesia yang mayoritas masyarakatnya itu menggunakan baju yang berwarna-warni, ada yang warna biru, merah, seperti itu. I think enough for my explanation. Saya berikan kepada moderator.
This is the material about group 1 this material from group 1 and we are explained and for the cultural difference and communities Asia. Thank you guys for attention. So we are apologize if we have a mistake. I think that's enough for group 1. So once again, we have a mistake. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.